Hello and welcome to S&J TV2. I'm flying solo today as Joanne's off travelling the world. So I just want to welcome you to our second channel. This is where random bits and pieces that don't make the cut on our first channel, S&J TV, will be seen. Our first episode on that channel was a pilot episode of us flying a drone, not successfully in some parts, and here it is. Here is that pesky drone. If you're interested, it's an E58 pocket drone from Ichin, I believe that is. Only cost around about £45 from Amazon. We thought we'd just pick it up as a bit of a laugh, just to see what it was like. And it is good fun. I think at some stage we'd like to get a bigger and better drone with better quality footage. I mean, this only films at 15 frames a second at apparently 720, but that's dubious from the quality I've seen. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is get a pilot episode up on this channel, and that'll be featuring stuff that just didn't make the cut or for the drone video that we've done. So I hope you enjoy it. Any comments you can leave in the usual places, and if you'd care to like and subscribe, that would be much appreciated.
Oh dear, we killed it. I thought you'd gone down.
Okay, open the aircraft power switch. The aircraft placed in the flight ground, yes. Then the aircraft indicator light flashes. Open the remote control power. Source switch. Nope.
How's it going?
Fabulous.
We can walking and talking. Are we going to go over there?
I'm sorry.
Hello and welcome to the S&J channel.
Yes, welcome.
Now, we're trying out our new drone that we bought the other day. We did try yesterday to do some flying, fairly unsuccessfully. And this is some footage from that.
Crashing into a bush wasn't our main objective, so we've come somewhere a little bit more open, the Downs in Bristol, to try
Yes, okay.
and
Yeah.
and see if we can fly this drone a little bit more successfully.
Why people have to come to us? Honestly, off. Sorry. Am I talking on camera? But at least now I know how to make it work. Oh dear. It's got a little bit of grass wrapped around its little legs. Oh no. Oh dear. It's alright, baby. There's a little bit left, we'll have to clean it up. Alright, let's do it again.
You flew it better than yesterday.
Yeah. Oh, I know. So calibrate.
That's not calibrating it. Ooh.
Let's see how high up.
Oh, no. Let's control it downwards first, shall we?
Yeah. Yeah. I can see now how I can control it towards me. Down. Yeah. Look down.
Oh, bring it back.
I've just killed it. But I feel more in control today.
Good.
I've killed it because I saw I could go towards those people. You're not on the controls, are you?
No.
Right. Ready?
Yep. Try and film
That's
me.
how he comes towards me. There you go.
Try and film me.
Look, now I know. That's a lot better. Hover. Hover. Up.
Try and,
Yeah, I know.
try and turn him round.
Yes. 2 seconds. Ooh. And then bring him up. I'm just trying to. There you go. Let's wait. Oh.
Can you home him?
Let's try. What was the button for homing?
Oh, I don't know. Can you kill it?
Oh.
Or bring it down? Joanne, just bring it down.
That's a nice landing one. I don't know what's beeping.
So how do you feel that went then?
A lot better. I can control him more now.
You
See,
seem to
the
have
more
this.
practice, the better.
You seem to have this wish to go near bushes.
So, did you see the? Did you see the camera this time?
It didn't feel.
Oh, you-
Yeah, but it wasn't filming anything.
Wasn't? It was filming though, wasn't it?
Yes, but it was just filming down. Let's have practice and see if we can actually move
He
the
did
camera.
see us for a moment, didn't he?
Well, let's have a practice at the camera.
Yes.
I see. Right.
You see how easy it is?
Yeah.
It's pretty easy, isn't it? Be careful with those people. Be careful, Simon. Simon.